Hello, and welcome to this video on the Smart Prompt function of Copilot4DevOps V5. Smart Prompt is an AI assistant specialized in handling queries related to Copilot4DevOps. You can ask it questions related to features, functionalities, and how to use Copilot4DevOps effectively. Let's say you've selected a feature and you ask Smart Prompt, "How can I assess the quality of my feature?" The system will now provide you with step-by-step instructions on how to analyze the quality of that particular work item. I can take this a step further by simply tweaking one word here. I'll ask, "How can I assess the clarity of my feature?" And then the system will once again provide step-by-step instructions. However, in this example, you also have the option to apply those steps, or you could apply and generate, in which case the system takes you into the Analyze function. It applies the 6C method, which has been chosen as the correct method to discover the clarity of that feature. It is analyzing the feature, and here you go. You can see that the clarity for that particular feature is more than 8 out of 10. Plus, you have this additional information you could look at. You can find the Smart Prompt function on the top right-hand side of every function in Copilot for DevOps. It's designed to help you get the most out of the tool. Thank you for watching.